Good morning, beautiful. Welcome to Morning Moments with Dr. LaTonya Inspires. Before we begin, let's take one slow, deep breath together. Inhale for 2. Hold it for 3. And exhale for 4. I'm so glad you're here. Today's morning moment is for anyone who has ever looked around and wondered, am I behind? Maybe you've watched someone else get the promotion, start the business, buy the house, get married, travel the world, or finally step into their purpose. And if we're not careful, comparison can quietly convince us that we've somehow missed our moment. But I want to remind you of something today. You are not behind. Life isn't a race. There isn't one timeline that everyone is supposed to follow. Your journey has been uniquely designed for you. Some of the delays you've experienced weren't setbacks. They were preparation. Some of the closed doors weren't rejections. They were protection. Some of the seasons that felt slow were giving you time to grow roots before your next level. We live in a world that celebrates speed. But growth doesn't always happen quickly. Think about a tree. It spends years developing strong roots before anyone notices how tall it's becoming. The same is true for us. Just because your progress isn't obvious to everyone else doesn't mean it isn't happening. Maybe today your victory looks like getting out of bed, choosing peace instead of worry, simply drinking more water and reading one chapter, making one healthy decision, giving yourself grace. Those small choices matter. They become the life you're building. So instead of asking, why am I behind? Try asking, what is one faithful step I can take today? Because that's all you have to do. One step, one decision, one moment at a time. Here's today's reflection question. What would change if you stopped comparing your journey to everyone else's? Take a moment to think about that. Now let's speak today's affirmations together. Repeat after me. I trust my journey. I release comparisons. I celebrate my progress. I am growing at the right pace. Everything meant for me will arrive in its proper time. Today, I move forward with confidence. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it for 2 and breathe out for 4. Remember, your journey is unfolding exactly as it should. Until next time, walk in purpose, choose hope, keep becoming. Have a beautiful day. Peace and blessings.